Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be working on sublimating this Home Depot mat. This was a size 18 by 30, but of course the space in between in the middle doesn't measure 18 by 30, that's smaller. So you want to get your ruler and always measure your substrate. So I'm going to measure just this middle rectangle, and the width is 24 by, I'm gonna say 12 and a half. So I'm gonna make my image just a little bit smaller just to fit in the middle of that area. Now, if you wanna do it all over, you can, feel free to, but you just need to measure your entire mat. But for me, I'm gonna just add my image right here in the middle, and that's what I'm gonna work with. So you always wanna also lint roll. Now, I don't know if it would show through any blue particles because I didn't lint roll, but I'm going to just lint roll just in case. All right, here's my image. Is it upside down? Yep. All right, so here's my image that I'm going to place on my mat. And I see there's some black right here on the end. You might can't see it, but I'm going to cut that off. And sometimes you can get like just some ink rubbing off in a spot you don't want it to be. Just cut that piece off. All right, so now I'm going to just take my image and place it in the middle of my mat. Line it up straight. And even. Okay, I got it where I want it to be, so I'm just going to tape it down. So I just put 3 pieces of tape on that side. I'm just going to do the same for this side. Hopefully that's good enough. And I'm going to line my image up, try to eyeball it to see if it's going to fit. All right, and don't forget your butcher paper. Butcher paper to protect your heat press. And I've already checked my pressure for my heat press just to make sure it's not too tight or not too loose. So it's just right for me. So this one, I'm going to press at 400 degrees, 60 seconds, medium pressure. Has anybody tried the mats? I'm pretty sure a lot of people have, but post your mats down below so we can see just the different creativity we have in this group. I had a customer who just bought her first home and she's pretty excited about it. So she needed a mat for her front door. And of course she reached out to me and of course I'm going to do it for her. So we got 12 seconds. It looks like my temperature was not actually all the way at 400, but let's see, let's hope it's okay. If not, I'll just press it again. So I'm going to take a peek at it. And it looks good to me on the bottom. As well as the top. So I'm going to take it off. And this is how it came out. She loves sunflowers, so I wanted it to, she told me just design it how I want to, and so I added the sunflower on it, kind of to match what she says she's going to decorate with in the inside of her house. So let me see you guys Home Depot mats, or if you have bath mats, whatever type of mat, let me see it in the comments below. Bye.